So we have inserted a couple of documents in a collection called users, and right from the console of the Mongo client. So instead of interacting with it directly with the database with the Mongo client, more excitingly would be to interact with it programmatically from outside, like for instance from Node.js. So let's focus on that. So let's in a different tab, we're going to go into a project, into a Node.js project, and from there we're going to install a library that would allow us to interact with Mongo. So let's head over to web dev, and then 2020, and then let's see, we're going to go into cs5610, and let's go into our node project, server node, and here we're going to install the Mongoose library that will allow us to connect to the database from Node.js. So we're going to do npm install Mongoose and -- save. So this is going to download the Mongoose library. It's going to put it in our node underscore modules. Once we've installed it, we can now connect to the database. Let's connect to the database using Node.js.